How to fix Facebook Live event not showing. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open Facebook. Click on the three bars at the top right corner. Scroll down and click on the Help and Support, and then click on Report a Problem. Click on Continue to report a problem. You can choose to include your complete logs and diagnostics in your report, or you can also click Don't Include. Click on the Events option, and then go ahead and describe your issue in detail. So you can say that you're facing the issue of a Facebook Live event not showing, and to help you fix this problem as soon as possible, you can add in more details if you like. Once your report is ready, click on the send icon at the top right corner. If you want to upload more screenshots, click on Upload from Phone at the bottom. Once you send in your report, Facebook should get back to you in a couple of days. So this is how to fix a Facebook Live event not showing. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.